In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send SUI to your Phantom wallet. First, let's make sure you have everything set up correctly. All you need to do is open your Phantom wallet. Once opened, take a moment to log into your account. This step is crucial as you need to be logged in to access your tokens and balances. When you find yourself on the home page, you'll see an overview of your balance. This page will also display any other tokens you might have in your wallet. If you're sending SUI, knowing your balance is essential to successfully completing the transaction. Once you've familiarized yourself with your balance, locate and click on the Receive button. This is the gateway to transferring tokens into your Phantom wallet. After clicking Receive, look for the SUI option from the list provided. Select it and you'll find the unique SUI address associated with your wallet. Go ahead and copy this address. This is necessary because you'll be pasting it later into your SUI wallet. With your SUI address now copied, transition over to your SUI wallet. This is where we will initiate the sending process. Although my personal send button is currently not clickable, I can guide you through this easily. Remember, for this option to be available, you'll need a positive balance in your wallet. Once you're in your SUI wallet, look for the Send button. It should be straightforward to find if you have a balance available. By clicking this button, you will be prompted to enter the address, which, in this case, is the one you copied from your Phantom wallet. Paste your copied address into the designated field. Next, input the amount of SUI you wish to send. This part is flexible, allowing you to transfer as much or as little as you prefer, depending on your balance and needs. After entering the amount, double-check all the details to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied with your inputs, click Confirm. After confirming, your transaction will be processed. Depending on network conditions, this might take some time, but don't worry. Once fully confirmed, your SUI will then arrive safely in your Phantom wallet. Always remember, it's a good practice to verify that the transaction is reflected in your balance. Thank you for joining me today as we walk through these steps. By following these simple instructions, you can confidently manage your tokens and ensure they are where you want them to be. Keep exploring and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.